Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where to get the beacon inside of Subnautica 2. So the beacon requires you to scan 2 fragments, and this is one of those things that's like in a dozen different places. So I'm just going to show you where the 2 closest ones are to the Lifepod. So the first one that we need to go to is like immediately to the 105 on the compass. It's directly underneath of this vortex that shoots straight up in the air. And to get inside of there, we're going to go into a cave that is right here next to this giant chunk of metal and these rot sacks. And we're going to go inside of here directly under that vortex. And the first fragment that you need is right here. So you can scan this beacon, and then we'll go to the next fragment. After that, the next fragment isn't too far away. It's literally just to the northeast of the first fragment. And then it's on this little ledge overlooking this section right here. There's a piece of debris over there. Normally my base isn't here, but the second fragment is right here in this pile of junk here on the surface. So once you've got that sort of collected, you can build these with the base builder basically anywhere. It's listed under exterior facilities, utility, here it is. And with this, you can put this basically anywhere, and the whole idea is you can set a waypoint so that you can see it in the distance through other objects, and you can call this whatever you want. So let's say you found like a lithium node. You could rename this lithium area, and now you would know, if you looked in the distance and hovered over that, that's the lithium area. Well, I guess not. It's not currently really showing. But if you get far enough away, it's supposed to show you just like the Lifepod. Ah, there you go, lithium area. So that's why the beacons are kind of handy, and then if you're done with it, you can go into deconstruct mode, and you can destroy them whenever you want. So that'd be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. This has been a brief look at where to get beacons and how to use them inside of Subnautica 2, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody. Have a good one, and do the likey, subscribey thing.